Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Icanic brands. I've talked about them once or twice here on the channel in the past. It's been a while. Time for an update. But this is Icanic brands, ticker ICNAF. As you can see here, it trades over the counter, so you can't get these on Robinhood. You'd have to go to a major brokerage like TD Ameritrade. I bought these on Fidelity. I have yet to pay a commission with Fidelity. I'm not for sure about Schwab or TD if you have to pay a commission. If you do, you can leave that in the comments. But here you can see what this one's done over the last year. So it was at 46 cents, came down, had a little bit of a run up to 32, and been down since then. Here's a look at over the last month. 16 cents on up to 16 again, down to 11 here in the last week. It's been kind of up and down, 8 cents, 12 cents, 8, 12, up and down, 14, kind of all over the place. And here's a look at today. So I had a dip here in the morning and now currently at 14 cents. So if you don't know much about this one, it's a leading MJ branded products manufacturer based in California and Nevada, largest and most competitive MJ market in the world. So like I said, I've talked about this once or twice. Don't have a whole lot of information. As you can see, this was a little bit older, but it was kind of a struggle to find too much on this one, but Icanic Brands provides update on status of management cease trade order, and this is dated on January 31st. So they're providing an update on the status of management cease trade order granted on November 30th of 2020. The company announced for reasons disclosed the news release there would be a delay in the filing of its financial statements and accompanying management discussion and analysis of the fiscal year ended on 7/31 of 2021 beyond the period prescribed under applicable Canadian securities laws. The company reports that the British Columbia Securities Commission has granted a further extension of the MCTO, and that the company anticipates filing the annual filings and interim filing for the period ended on October 31 of 2021. Here's a little bit more about, and feel free to pause and go over the rest if you want to read the rest, or you can go right to the source on Yahoo Finance. And this is a little bit more about Icanic Brands. They're a leading MJ branded products manufacturer based in California and Nevada, the largest and most competitive MJ market in the world. The company's mission is to make MJ safe and approachable. That starts with the manufacturing high quality products, delivering consistent experiences. For more information, you can go to their website here, which we could. Since there's definitely time, we'll just throw it in here. It seems like I went to the website on my past videos, but we can go over it here again. So as you can see, they're on the OTCQB, so should be up listed at some point in time. That's the last step on the OTC is on the QB. Next is on the major exchanges. So artisan quality MJ products. Icanic focuses on innovative product development and production with its award-winning brands, led by proven business leaders with deep industry roots. That's an interesting one. Torrential award-winning innovative products meticulously manufactured to the highest standards. Products available in over 375 dispensaries in California and Nevada. So if you're in California and Nevada, it looks like they're pretty, I hate to use the word saturated, but pretty popular in those two states. That seems like a lot of dispensaries just in 2 states. Experience best-in-class management, over 20 years of MJ industry experience. And you can see Lucky Jack brand here. Our brands, our portfolio of products serves the growing and changing needs of MJ consumers. We've developed brands that give both first-timers and MJ connoisseurs the very best experiences and quality they're looking for. Ganja Gold and Taylor's. So not a whole lot here on their website. You can go over their brands here. Here's a little bit more about their brands. Actively seek responsible growers while personally inspecting and tending to our plants. All of the products are meticulously tested by one of the highest regarded labs in the world. Cutting corners is not an option, and you can feel that in the quality of our product. So our brands, again, are Ganja Gold and Taylor's. Here's a little bit. Driven by integrity and fueled by quality, Ganja Gold leads to industry with a golden standard. We actively seek out responsible growers while personally inspecting and tending to our plants. Our product is meticulously tested by one of the highest regarded labs in the world. And you can click there to learn more. Taylor's is a pre-roll focusing on the premium value end of the market that targets the largest market segments by the volume in the pre-roll space, currently producing non-infused SKUs with the roadmap towards infused and other SKUs in the future. So not a whole lot on their particular website. 5 months ago, see if there's any relevant information here on Reddit. It looks like it's all older, so we'll check out StockTwits, currently at 14 cents. 52-week low of 5 cents, high of 52 cents. Round and round she goes, and where she stops nobody knows. Number one worst investment ever. Ugly Bob, bearish. Down 28% with a bid. So if you believed in this company, I don't have a whole lot of this one. If you believed in it, definitely be a time to buy. Not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just stating my opinion. But you could get quite a few shares if you project this one and feel it to go up. So I talked about Pong F or Atari way back. Probably time for an update on that one. This news is so incredible they only want to keep it to themselves. Where are the odds with this and both locked out at the same time? I wish I was better at this hustle. It looks like there was halts on the trades. Nothing here on MSN Money. And nothing here on Tip Ranks. But if you have this one, Iconic Brands, ICNAF, you can list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you'd like to share on this one. And like I said, I don't have a whole lot of this one. You can see what it's done over the last year. So if you're looking to get into it, definitely now would be the time on any of these dips. There's an 11 cent. So, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to figure that out on your own. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, falling for it financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.